Hello dear student, I welcome you all in concrete technology subject and the subject code is 1615305. Today we are going to see unit number 3, that is properties of concrete. And properties of concrete, this is lecture number 10. I Daniel Swami, lecturer of civil department, James Polytechnic College, Aurangabad, Bihar. Let us see the content of the lecture. In this concrete technology, in properties of concrete, we will study about concrete mix design, and this is very important topic in a properties of concrete, and this will come in your exam to find the concrete mix design of different grades. So if you listen this lecture properly, you will get more beneficial in as well as uh, you will get more beneficial in your exam, as well as when you will go out of college you will get more beneficial insights. Let us see introduction. Concrete mix design means determination of proportion of concrete ingredients, that is cement, water, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, which would be produced concrete, processing specified properties such as workability, strength, durability with maximum overall economic. That means that concrete mix design is all about mixing a ingredient to form a concrete in amount of proportion that will provide good workability, strength and durability with a maximum overall economic. That is known as concrete mix design. Concrete mix design is a composite material which consists of cement, sand, and aggregate. Concrete mix design is a procedure to find a right quantity of this material to achieve a desirable strength. Accurate concrete mix design makes concrete construction economical. Larger constructions such as bridges, dams require huge amount of concrete. Using the right qualities of constituents makes the structure economical. In order to calculate or find the right amount of cement, sand and aggregate required for 1 meter cube of a concrete, you need to know about the different grades of concrete. As I have told you earlier, while starting of unit 3, I have told you about different grades. Concrete mix design is nothing but it is cement, sand and aggregate composite mix ratio, and according to that mix design, if the workability, durability of the aggregate or means structure is more, अगर aggregate जब मिलता है, दो एग्रीगेट है, फाइन एग्रीगेट, कोर्स एग्रीगेट और सीमेंट, जब ये तीनों मिल के अगर ये कंपोजिट मिक्सचर फॉर्म होता है और ये एक एक्यूरेट डिज़ायरेबल स्ट्रेंथ को प्रोड्यूस करता है, उसी को हम लोग कॉन्क्रीट मिक्स डिज़ाइन कहते हैं कि 1 मीटर क्यूब में कितना वो मतलब सीमेंट, सैंड, एग्रीगेट, कोर्स एग्रीगेट यूज़ हुआ और कितना मतलब वो कौन सा ग्रेड से बना और कितना स्ट्रेंथ वो प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, उसी को कहते हैं कॉन्क्रीट मिक्स डिज़ाइन. As per IS 456-2000, different grades of concrete is classified into M15, M7.5, M10, M15, etc., where M stands for mix and the number behind the M stands for characteristics of compressive strength, that is FCK of concrete, that is Newton per mm square, at the rate 28 days. That means at 28 days of curing, if we are using M5, it should produce 5 kilonewton per mm square of compressive strength. Or when we checked in 15 centimeter cube in directly compressive test, if we check in UTM, if we are taking M25 or M15, it should produce the compressive strength of 15 Newton per mm square in 28 days of curing. That shows the concrete mix design is proper. Concrete mix design of M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, M30 and the higher grades of concrete is calculated below. Let us see. The procedure for finding the different grades of concrete mix are same. The below mentioned method can be applied to any grades of concrete by changing the value. To make easy in understanding, we are finding the concrete mix design of M20 grade concrete. हम लोग कोई भी ग्रेड कंक्रीट का फाइंड कर सकते हैं, उसका कंक्रीट मिक्स डिज़ाइन फाइंड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आसान बनाने के लिए हम M20 ग्रेड को फाइंड करेंगे और आपको समझने में भी आसान होगा। तो देखेंगे द कंक्रीट मिक्स रेशियो ऑफ M20, दैट इज़ M मीन्स मिक्स और 20 जो है वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है किसका, कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ इन 28 डेज, मतलब उसको 20 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर हमको स्ट्रेंथ प्रोड्यूस करेगा अगर M20 ग्रेड का कंक्रीट, तो हमारा कंक्रीट बेस्ट है, मतलब बहुत बढ़िया है। M20 grade of concrete, we used to take ratio as 1:1.5:3, that is 1 is cement and 1:5 is 1.5 is sand and 3 is coarse aggregate. That is 1 part of cement to 1.5 part of sand, that is fine aggregate, and 3 part of aggregate, that is crushed stone in a volume, and then is based for a mixing to know the concrete mix design. As I have told you earlier, mix design M means mix design, that is mix design of cement, sand and aggregate. 1 MPa, that is 1 megapascal, that is equal to Newton per mm square. 1 megapascal is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. And M20 means M20 is M is mix and 20 is the compressive strength. In 28 days of curing, we will get in Newton per mm square. Let us see the types of concrete mix. That is 3 types, that is nominal mix, standard mix, design mix. Nominal mix, these mix are fixed cement aggregate ratio. This offers simplicity and under normal circumstances having a margin of strength above the specified. इन नॉमिनल जो मिक्स होता है, इन नॉमिनल मिक्स में जो उसमें सीमेंट यूज़ होता है वो फिक्स अमाउंट पे होता है और उसका मतलब सीमेंट और एग्रीगेट रेशियो फिक्स रहता है। इसके चलते वो एक नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टेंसेस पे वो एक मार्जिन के अनुसार एक मार्जिन उस पर रहता है कि मतलब इतना यूज़ कर रहा है मटेरियल तो उसके अनुसार से उतना स्ट्रेंथ प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए। इन स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स, तो स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स है तो हम उसके अनुसार से अगर रेशियो के अनुसार से M10 है, M15 है, M20 है, उसके अनुसार से अकॉर्डिंग टू IS कोड मेथड अगर M20 ले रहे हैं तो हमको 20 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर हमको स्ट्रेंथ प्रोड्यूस होता है कंक्रीट से, उसको हम स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स कहते हैं। डिज़ाइन मिक्स कहते हैं किसको, इन दिस मिक्स द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ concrete is specified by a designer, but the mix proportion are determined by the producer of concrete. Expect that the minimum cement content can be laid down. ये जो है डिज़ाइन मिक्स जो है, आप साइट पे आप कभी भी जाते हो तो आप अपने नॉमिनल एक सोच के अनुसार से आप बोलते हो कि मतलब आप अगर M20 आप लेना चाहते हो तो या M15 लेना चाहते हो तो अगर M15 लेते हैं तो 1:2:4, तो उसके अनुसार से अगर रेशियो है तो हम अगर एक बोरा सीमेंट में अगर हम मतलब उसको 4 डालेंगे सैंड और 6 डालेंगे गिट्टी या 5 डालेंगे सैंड 6 डालेंगे गिट्टी, उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं। अगर हम लोग डिज़ाइन करते हैं तो उसको हम लोग डिज़ाइन मिक्स कहते हैं। The method of concrete mix design is American Concrete Institute method, that is ACI method, then road noted number 4 method, DOE method and Indian standard method. These are the 4 type of method used for concrete mix design. This method of concrete mix design consists of following 11 steps, that is design specification, testing of material, calculation of target strength for a mixed proportion, selecting water cement ratio, calculating water content, calculating cement content, finding out the volume proportion of a coarse aggregate and volume proportion of fine aggregate, mix calculation, trial mix, then workability measurement, repeating 9th and 10th procedure, that is trial mix we can go for 2-3 times and workability measures we can do for 2-3 times. And in mixed design, according to IS code 10262 2009, the design specification is needed. Here are some of the design specification. What we needed is, that is, graded designation, that is which type of grade we are taking, that is M10, M15, M20, type of cement which we are using, maximum nominal size of aggregate, which size of aggregate we are using, that is 20 or 30 or 10 minimum or maximum content of cement, maximum water cement ratio, workability, exposure condition according to IS 456 table number 4, and maximum temperature of concrete at a time of placing. जब हम प्लेस करते हैं उसका टेम्परेचर, जब हम कंक्रीट को प्लेस कर रहे हैं कहीं ढालने के लिए, तो उसका उस टाइम का मतलब नॉर्मल इन्वायरमेंटल टेम्परेचर कितना है। मेथड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टिंग एंड प्लेसिंग, किस तरह से हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं और प्लेस करते हैं। ईयरली एज स्ट्रेंथ रिक्वायरमेंट कितना, मतलब उसका इनिशियल सेटिंग टाइम कितना है, कितना देर में वो मतलब अपना स्ट्रेंथ गेन करने लगता है। टाइप ऑफ एग्रीगेट, which type of aggregate we are using, angular, subangular or round shape, type of admixture what we are using. These are some of the specification which we should know in mixed design. Testing of material. Testing of material means we should test the material to find different specific gravity, how the coarse aggregate specific gravity, how water absorption, free moisture or sieve analysis. These are some of the tests for concrete ingredients to be done. The table is given below shows the list of most necessary tests to be done on cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate and the admixture. After doing this test, storing the testing data for a further calculation. The test to be done is, in cement is we should find the specific gravity, and in coarse aggregate we should find specific gravity, water absorption, free surface moisture and sieve analysis. Same thing in fine aggregate, that is specific gravity, water absorption, free surface moisture and sieve analysis. And in admixture also, in admixture we have to find only specific gravity. This will be and if you keep this calculation, this can help you in further areas. Let us see what is target strength. Let us see how the target strength will be calculated. Target strength is a target compressive strength of a concrete using formula, that is FCK is equal to FCK dash is equal to FCK plus 1.65 S. FCK is target compressive strength at 28 days, that is it will come in Newton per mm square, and FCK is this FCK dash is target compressive strength and FCK is the characteristic compressive strength in 28 days of nominal strength, that is that can be shown in Newton per mm square, and S is the standard deviation, and the value of standard deviation is given in table, can be taken as initial calculation. The S will be constant and that can be taken from IS code book. We can see the grade of concrete according to that compressive strength is got in Newton per mm square, and standard deviation for means to कौन ग्रेड के बीच में हम लोग को कितना स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन हम लोग को लेना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी कैन टेक द स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्रेड वी कैन टेक. लेट अस सी इन दिस टेबल. For M10 and M15 we should take 3.5 as a standard deviation, and the compressive strength will be 10 and 15 Newton per mm square. And for 2025 we should take 4 as a standard deviation, and the compressive strength will be 20 and 25 Newton per mm square. And for M30, M35, 40 and it goes on, we should take 5 as a standard deviation, and this also will be in Newton per mm square. And according to the grade of concrete, the strength will be, if M35 then 35 will be the compressive strength, if 40 then 40 will be the compressive strength, M50 then 50, M75. It will be according to the mix design of what grade we are using. According to that we will get the strength. Selection of water cement ratio. For preliminary calculation, water cement ratio gives given from IS code table. As I have told you earlier, we should take from 0.4 to 0.6. These are the nominal these are the nominal water cement ratio for a nominal mix, and this is given by the IS code method of water cement for a different exposure of condition, as I have shown you in table. Selection of water content. Selection of water content depends upon the number of factors such as aggregate size, shape and texture, workability, water cement ratio, type of cement and its amount, type of admixture and the environmental condition. Factor that can reduce the water demand as follows: using the increase aggregate size, reduce the water cement ratio, reducing the slump requirement, using round aggregates, and using water reducing admixture. These are the some of the water reducing thing. By this, if we are using this that is water reducing admixture, if we are using the water content will be less. If we are using round aggregates, that also will take less water, and water cement ratios should be less water cement ratio should be there. So the selection of water content will be not much more. Factor that increase the water demand as followings, that is increase in temperature at site. कब पानी का डिमांड बढ़ता है, जो वो है जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है. व्हेन टेम्परेचर विल rise, then the water demand will be more. Increasing of cement, जब सीमेंट बढ़ता है, सीमेंट कंटेंट बढ़ता है. इंक्रीजिंग इन स्लम्प, इंक्रीजिंग वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो, इंक्रीज इन वाटर aggregate angularity, the shape of the aggregate that also demands the water. Decrease in the proportion of coarse aggregate to the fine aggregate, जो proportion है aggregate का, वो अगर उसमें अप डाउन होता है तो उसमें मतलब पानी का डिमांड बढ़ता है. Next is the quality of maximum mixing water per unit volume of a concrete may be selected by given table, that is given by IS code method. In nominal maximum size of aggregate, that is M10, means nominal size is 10 mm, 20 mm and 40 mm, and for 10 mm we need water as 280 liters, and for 20 mm we need as 186 liters, and for 40 mm we need 165. As the increasing in the size of aggregate, the demand of water will be less. Next is calculation of cementitious material content. For the water content for water cement ratio, the quantity of water per unit volume of cement, calculate the amount of cementitious material. After calculating the quality of cement material, comparing it with the value of the table shown in step 4, and the greater of the two values is then adopted. That means that cementitious material, for calculating the cementitious material content, we should see the water cement ratio. According to that, we can calculate the amount of cementitious material. If any material admixture such as fly ash is used, then deciding the percentage of mineral admixture to be used based on the project requirement and the quality of material. जो क्वालिटी ऑफ मटेरियल है उसके अनुसार से, और प्रोजेक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट है किस तरह का प्रोजेक्ट बन रहा है, रेसिडेंशियल हाउस बन रहा है कि मतलब इंस्टीट्यूशन बन रहा है, हॉस्पिटल बन रहा है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी कैन सेलेक्ट द मिनरल एडमिक्सचर, एंड according to that only we can find the cementitious material content in a concrete. For finding the volume proportion for a coarse aggregate and fine aggregate, the volume of coarse aggregate corresponding to the unit volume of total weight of total aggregate for a different zone of a fine aggregate is given in table. As I have told you in earlier lecture, पहले का भी लेक्चर में बता चुके हैं आपको, नॉमिनल मिक्स साइज ऑफ एग्रीगेट इज 10, 20, 40, और अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस द डिफरेंट जोन इज डिवाइडेड, दैट इज in zone 50 the coarse aggregate unit per volume total फाइन एग्रीगेट कितना मतलब लेंगे, तो हम फॉर जोन 4 वी विल टेक 0.5 एंड वही जोन 1 के लिए हम लोग लेंगे 0.44। वैसे 40 mm के लिए हम लोग जोन 4 से जो ये हम लोग फाइन एग्रीगेट लेंगे वो 0.75 लेंगे, और वही जोन 1 से 0.769 लेंगे। ये अकॉर्डिंग टू IS कोड बुक के अनुसार से हम लोग को ये टेबल के अनुसार से फॉलो किया जाता है। Next is mix calculation. How we will find the mix calculation? The mix calculation of unit volume concrete shall be done as following. Concrete of volume of concrete is 1 meter cube. हम लोग अगर 1 मीटर क्यूब का लेते हैं, volume of cement is mass of cement by specific gravity of cement into 1/1000, और वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, मास ऑफ वाटर बाय स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ वाटर इंटू 1/1000, दैट वी विल गेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर। वॉल्यूम ऑफ एडमिक्सचर, मास ऑफ एडमिक्सचर बाय स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी इंटू 1/1000, दैट वी विल गेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ एडमिक्सचर। फॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ एडमिक्सचर वी विल डू लाइक दिस। देन वॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल एग्रीगेट वी विल डू दैट A minus B plus C plus D, that is you can see A minus this is A, that is volume of concrete, A minus B plus C plus D। हम लोग ये तीनों को ऐड करने के बाद हम लोग A से माइनस कर देंगे तो हम लोग को टोटल वॉल्यूम पता चलेगा एग्रीगेट का। मास ऑफ कोर्स एग्रीगेट इफ़ वी वांट टू टेक, देन E इज इक्वल टू मतलब E इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोर्स एग्रीगेट इंटू स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ कोर्स एग्रीगेट इंटू 1000। E, ये जो E है, E इसका वैल्यू जितना आएगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल एग्रीगेट का वैल्यू जितना आएगा, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल एग्रीगेट इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोर्स एग्रीगेट इंटू स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ कोर्स एग्रीगेट इंटू 1000, और मास ऑफ फाइन एग्रीगेट तो उसी तरह से वॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल एग्रीगेट इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ फाइन एग्रीगेट इंटू स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी इंटू 1000। इसके अनुसार से हमको मास ऑफ फाइन एग्रीगेट पता चल जाएगा। Next is trial mix, repeating the trial mix procedure, that is we will take 1 trial, 2 trial or 3 trial. According to that we will see how much the water cement ratio is taken. If we are taking at a constant if we are taking water cement ratio according to the IS code method, and we will see the exposure condition. According to that, if we are taking, the workability of a concrete will be maintained, and according to that we can see the slump cone value of concrete, that will produce the workability of the concrete, and according to that the mixed concrete mix design will be founded out. The summary of this lecture is all about the concrete mix design, and in this concrete mix proportion is applicable only for ordinary or a standard concrete grades. The air content in a concrete is considered as nil. The proportion is carried out to achieve the specified characteristic of compressive strength at a specified age, and the workability of a fresh concrete and the durability requirement. In this it is very important that concrete mix design जो है वो डिपेंड करता है वर्कबिलिटी ऑफ फ्रेश कंक्रीट और ड्यूरेबिलिटी रिक्वायरमेंट। अगर ये दोनों अगर जो मिक्स डिज़ाइन में अगर प्रॉपर दे, अगर वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो प्रॉपर रहे और वर्कबिलिटी सही रहे और ड्यूरेबिलिटी जो कंक्रीट का आफ्टर ड्राइंग अगर प्रोवाइड सही करे, तो उसको हम वो सही रहेगा, उसका कंक्रीट का मिक्स डिज़ाइन उसको हम फॉलो करके चल सकते हैं जो स्ट्रक्चर में यूज़ हो सकता है। I have referred from online source Ritu publication book and MSCT book. Thank you for listening this lecture. If you have any doubt, you are free to message me and clear your doubt. Thank you.